Hey guys, cSzopa guy here, and we're gonna check out a 2020 Ventana 3709 floor plan. Follow me. It's very hard to get these coaches in on trade and keep them for more than a couple days, so this is a real treat, guys. Come check this out. We're gonna start with the exterior. On this 2020 Ventana 3709 floor plan, it's 37 feet 10 inches. This coach has got the integrated Girard awnings all across the top of the roof. And as we can pan to the roof, you guys can take a look here behind the Girard awnings. Those Girard awnings are both integrated into that sidewall. And if you look at that one-piece molded fiberglass roof, you got two Penguin ACs on the roof. That's a fully walkable roof, although there is no ladder on the back. If you need to get on the roof, it is walkable. So as you can see, Newmar definitely puts the construction on the exterior, the roof as well. This is a very well constructed residential motorhome. Let's go inside, let's look at all the options, let's check this out. Immediately stepping into the coach, stepping out from seeing that exterior, that's the Wynwood exterior option for 2020. That Wynwood, the darker blacks, the darker grays, the darker whites, it kind of matches that custom tile floor with that darker true porcelain tile floor, but kind of that sleek gray look as well, which offsets for the cherry glazed maple wood. So this is that option they had in 2020. That was very popular as well. The cherry wood is just kind of gives that offset from the darker colors. We are on the 2020, so we are on that newer Freightliner digital dash setup. So less options on the left to control the coach from drivability. You just have your equalizer hydraulic jack system located on the left. All digital dash setup for the Freightliner. So everything control-wise, including comfort drive for Newmar motorhomes, which is that of the adjustment setting for your steering that allows you to come back to 0 degrees. No matter which direction you're turning, the wheel is always going to acclimate back to 0, is all controlled from the digital dash settings now. And to actually maneuver the coach and drive it down the road, they've shifted the control to your left-hand side here. So you roll it for drive and roll it back for reverse. Your mode shifting for automatic and manual is on the right-hand side on the end of the actual arm. Parking brake located to the right of your key ignition switch, and most standard Newmars are going to have that phone platform charging pad located right between all your button controls. So still in the 2020, we had the touchscreen Rand McNally navigation option as well, and to the left is your camera control screen. Left and right side view cameras that are both low mounted right behind the wheel wells and your rear backup camera. So stepping down the galley, got that true sleeper. So you got that nice fold out mattress that comes from that setup, which sits directly across your televator television, and that's a 50-inch smart TV Samsung, which is ambiance set with that Fireplace. This option is one of the great options they had in 2020 for the Newmar 37 footers that allows you to still have more of that Fireplace ambiance setting option rather than just two couches. And it leads directly into extended counter space, which is, if you notice here, when you go with this option, all the counter space you get, counter space for my kitchen cookers, and induction cooktop. So the induction cooktop is covered by a couple removable plates, and that induction cooktop is removable. So this can be taken out, you can take it outside, you can plug it in, it's just a normal 110 plug-in, and use it outside and cook your food if you don't want to do all the inside cooking. Use all the counter space in here, make it a buffet, get all the stuff ready for everybody. You have that booth dinette. This is super cool. You got a couple lounge ottomans under it, but the cushions on the back support allow you to sit back and relax, talk to your rest of your guests in a circular form of speaking, so not everyone's having to cant in one direction. So this makes a huge benefit for comfort, and the table expands out. So there's two more chairs, a couple leaves all tucked under that bed in the back of the coach. Gives you a little bit more seating space around the dinette. So being 37 feet 10 inches, this coach does have the bath and a half, which is always great to have, especially if one person just gets ready quick in the morning, the other person needs more bathroom time. You got a decent amount of space in the coach, back set toilet against the wall, and a decent medicine cabinet for simple storage. And behind me, as we're going into the bedroom, that's a 19.7 cubic foot Whirlpool refrigerator. Does have the ice maker inside the freezer, and it does have the water control on the exterior of the front left door. And into the king's, master's quarters, and queen's, this bed is a king size mattress. This is the radius mattress. This is an air mattress, an R5 radius. So there's a control that comes with this coach that allows you to control the left and right settings, kind of like those mattresses called well, Sleep Number mattress. Very similar to that, where you can control that setting. And you have the storage under the bed for your leafs for the dinette, as well as the 2 extra chairs, and the vacuum system on this coach, the internal vacuum system by Dirt Devil. You can plug in the hose to the sidewall, or you can use the little compartment to sweep away that's located in that bathroom. All sliding real wood doors on Newmar's. Really gives that true residential feeling. Stepping into the bathroom in here, you have a 30 by 30 corner shower, all glass. This has plenty of space. It even has the back seat support, so you can sit down in the shower and actually utilize the space, sit comfortably, and not just get in and out of the shower like you're in a rush. This makes it feel like you're at home and actually using a shower that feels good and nice because you got the space too. And lastly, location for stackable washer and dryer. It's already plumbed, so if you guys want a stackable washer and dryer, we can install one for you. It's no problem for a price. And then you'll have yourself an ability to wash your clothes. But the 2020 Newmar 3709 Ventana is an excellent option coach. It does have hydronic heating, by the way, on the coach, which is instantaneous for your hot water. The system that Newmar uses is called Oasis. It's a very low pressure hydronic heating system. So that means you're going to have hot water instantaneous from that little combustion furnace located on the driver's side and one of the cargo bay doors. So give me a call, guys. I'd love to show you this coach, take you for a test drive, show you comfort drive, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching Chris's RV Show, guy walkthrough.